276 feet, right? And then this guy covers a distance of 117.33 times 2, 234.66 feet. Quite a lot more, huh? So the distance between them is now what? Between the center of this car and the center of that car. Well, this one was 100 feet ahead already. Then he traveled 234 feet. So that's 234 plus 100, right? 334. But this one traveled 58.66, so you can subtract that from that. Okay, so it took quite a bit of work here. Now the distance is 276, okay? Okay, the next thing that happens is for about 1 second, the police accelerates first, okay? So the police, for the next 1 second, we want to know where the police is at the end of the 1 second, okay? And we want to know, this one is not going to change for 1 second, right, still. So for the next 1 second, this guy's still going to go. And how far are they going to go for the next 1 second? We could go 117.33 times 1. Well, that's 117.33. Right? That's feet. And then this was 276, so 117.33. And then here, how far does this person, the police, travel during that initial 1 second? Okay? So we could use which equation there? V initial t plus half a t squared. Right? So V initial at the beginning of that stage was 29.33. This is 29.33. T is 1 second. Right? So that's times 1 plus what? Half times a. So the police can accelerate at 9 feet per second squared. And then t squared, which is 1 squared. So at the end of the 1 second, how far has the police traveled? 29.33 plus 4.5, right? 33.83. 33.83. And that guy has traveled 117.33. And remember, the original distance is 276. So at the end of the 1 second, what's the distance between each other? The distance between them, this is at end of 1 second. So I'm going to subtract now 117.33 plus 276 minus 33.83. $359.5. And then this guy decides to accelerate. So what is their initial velocity before they accelerate? It hasn't changed yet, right? It's 117.33. And they accelerate at a rate of what? 4. A is 4. What is the initial velocity of the police at the end of that 1 second? Well, I got to solve that. I haven't done that yet. I know that their initial velocity was 29.33. So their final velocity at the end of 1 second is what? V initial plus AT. V initial is 29.33 plus A is 9 and T is 1. So at the end of that 1 second, the police has already sped up. They're going at 38.33. So now I came to the section of the problem where they're both accelerating, you see, to the stage of the so this guy is going at 38.33. This guy is going at 117.33. The A is 4, the A is 9. And next time, let's pick it up from there. Okay? So I want you to review what I've done so far, because the difficult part of the problem is already done. If you can get this, what I've done so far, after this, it's going to get a little easier.